What's up, EDC enthusiasts? Are you tired of being caught unprepared? Today we're diving into the top 20 everyday carry gadgets that'll transform you from zero to hero in any situation. From micro flashlights that punch above their weight to multi-tools that'll make MacGyver jealous, we've got it all covered. Stick around because number 15 is going to blow your mind. Let's jump right in. Starting strong with the WUBEN G5, and folks, this little beast is only 2.44 inches long but packs a whopping 400 lumens. Here's what makes this flashlight absolutely genius. Dual light magic. This isn't just your basic flashlight. You get cold white light with 3 brightness levels, plus RGB lighting in 7 different colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, cyan, blue, purple. It's like a rainbow in your pocket. The game changer, that 180-degree rotatable head with magnetic base means you can stick this baby anywhere and angle the light exactly where you need it. Car maintenance? Check. Tent setup? Double check. Power player. Type-C fast charging gets you fully juiced in just 1.5 hours, and it'll run for up to 65 hours on low. Plus, it's IP68 waterproof. This thing laughs at rain. At only 52 grams, there's literally no excuse not to carry this powerhouse. Next up, the CIVIVI Mini Praxis, and this is where legal meets lethal efficiency. Built like a tank, D2 steel blade with that gorgeous black stonewash finish. This steel holds an edge like nobody's business while staying rust resistant. Smooth operator. Here's the magic ceramic ball bearing pivot with flipper deployment. Demonstrate. Listen to that satisfying snap. That's precision engineering, folks. Comfort King, G10 handle that's moisture and temperature resistant. Whether it's scorching summer or freezing winter, this grip won't let you down. The best part? It's legal in all 50 states, so you can carry with confidence anywhere you go. Now let's talk about being prepared for life's curveballs with the Coleman Mini First Aid Kit. Compact powerhouse. This crush-proof metal tin is smaller than your smartphone but contains everything you need for minor emergencies. Bandages, antibiotic ointment, antiseptic wipes, it's all here. Smart design. That embossed logo isn't just for looks. You can identify this kit even in complete darkness or high-stress situations. Every second counts in an emergency. Versatility champion. Butterfly bandages for cuts, knuckle bandages for awkward spots, and sting relief wipes for those unexpected encounters with nature. For the price of a coffee, you get peace of mind that fits in your glove compartment, backpack, or desk drawer. Alright, this might not be traditional EDC, but hear me out, the 200-piece Screw Hook Kit is the organization game changer you didn't know you needed. Size variety. 6 different sizes from 1/2 inch to 1.25 inches means you've got the right hook for every job. 200 pieces total. Built to last, high-grade metal with anti-rust coating in sleek black that blends with any decor. Installation hero, self-tapping design means no pre-drilling, no complex tools. Just screw and go. Endless applications, coffee mugs, keys, plants, tools, lights. If it needs hanging, these hooks have you covered. That organized storage box keeps everything sorted and ready to go. Sometimes the simplest tools are the mightiest. Introducing the Mighty Bar. Solid steel confidence. Milled from solid stainless steel, this isn't some flimsy wannabe. This is built for real work. Pocket-sized problem solver. Scraping labels, prying staples, turning screws, opening boxes, it does it all without crowding your keychain. Keyring ready, fits most keyrings perfectly. Throw it on your keys, lanyard, or backpack and forget about it until you need it. The philosophy: why carry 20 different tools when one purpose-built bar can handle most tasks? This is minimalism at its finest, maximum utility, minimum bulk. Tired of plastic cutlery that breaks when you look at it wrong? The Travel Utensils set is your sustainable solution. Premium materials, food-grade 18x8 stainless steel that's lightweight, sharp, and dishwasher safe. This isn't going to rust or corrode on you. Smart case design. Check out this upgrade. Elastic band prevents rattling. Waterproof aluminum foil lining keeps everything clean. No more messy bags. Complete arsenal. Adult-sized fork, spoon, knife, and chopsticks with laser-etched anti-slip grip. Everything you need for any meal, anywhere. Ultra portable. At just 9 multiplied by 2 inches, this slips into any lunch bag or backpack. Office meals, camping trips, travel, you're covered. The FISKARS folding travel scissors solve a problem you probably didn't know you had. TSA approved. Metal blades under 4 inches mean these fly with you anywhere. No more leaving scissors behind at security. Fold and go. That folding mechanism transforms these from functional tool to compact carry. Safe transportation, space-saving storage. Precision cutting. Stainless steel blades make clean cuts every time. Thread trimming, detail cutting, quick snips, it's all smooth sailing. Universal design. Double loop handle works for both righties and lefties. Plus, that mountain haze color is absolutely gorgeous. Fair warning, some users find the folding mechanism a bit stiff initially, but that's the price of secure, safe storage. These aren't your grandmother's tweezers, we're talking titanium precision instruments. Titanium advantage, high hardness, lightweight, and will never rust. These are built for lifetime use with that smooth surface and flat tip design. 2-tool system, large and small tweezers handle different jobs. From splinters to precision electronics work. Perfect tension, built from one piece of material means super elasticity and consistent performance. No more tweezers that won't grab. Travel ready, comes with a stylish case and keyring attachment. TSA friendly for air travel. Beyond beauty. Yes, they work for eyebrows, but they're designed for so much more: splinters, precision assembly, outdoor emergencies, industrial use. Who says pens have to be boring? The OLIGHT OPEN Mini 2 makes writing fun again. Bolt action beauty. That reverse S-shaped bolt mechanism isn't just for show, it's incredibly satisfying and switches between pen and pencil functions effortlessly. Premium writing. 0.7mm O refill gives you 2,000 feet of smooth writing without skipping or blotting. That's serious performance. Pocket perfect. At just 4.13 inches, it's compact but functional. The clip keeps it ready on your notebook, pocket, or backpack. Built to last, aluminum alloy body with skeletonized barrel reduces weight while maintaining comfort. Your hand won't fatigue during long writing sessions. It's functional art that happens to write beautifully. When the Coleman kit isn't enough, step up to this comprehensive mini first aid kit. Perfect size, 7 multiplied by 5, 1 by 2 inches and just half a pound, but packed with premium medical supplies. Easily hangs on your backpack too. Weather warrior, waterproof nylon construction means your supplies stay dry no matter what Mother Nature throws at you. Certified quality. Internationally certified components mean you're getting a hospital-grade reliability in a portable package. Comprehensive care, bandages, gauze, scissors, and more. This handles everything from minor cuts to more serious situations. Versatile application. Family trips, office emergency kit, camping, hiking, boating, car kit, wherever life takes you, this kit has your back. A dull knife is a dangerous knife. The SHARPAL 101N keeps your blades razor sharp. 6 functions, 1 tool. Carbide V-notch for setting new edges on damaged blades. Fine ceramic for smooth finishing. Tapered diamond rod for serrations and gut hooks. Grooved diamond rod specifically for fish hooks. Ferro rod for fire starting. Emergency whistle for safety signals. Bulletproof performance. Those carbide and ceramic abrasives have passed 10,000 use field tests. They literally never wear out. Universal compatibility, straight edges, serrated blades, kitchen knives, tactical blades. If it cuts, this sharpens it. Emergency ready, with ferro rod and whistle built in, this isn't just maintenance, it's survival gear. When regular lighters fail, the Top K torch steps up to the plate. Wind warrior, jet flame reaches 2.5 inches and hits 2,800 degrees Fahrenheit. Wind doesn't stand a chance against this beast. Built tough, copper burner nozzle with cooling holes and ceramic port handles, continuous use without breaking down. User control, that flame adjustment knob lets you dial in exactly the heat you need, from gentle candle lighting to serious outdoor grilling. Smart design, 2.8 G capacity with visible fuel window means you always know when it's time to refill. Safety first, only accepts 85% liquid butane capacity. Versatile power, 6-inch compact size works for candles, barbecues, fireworks, camping applications, and so much more. Remember, butane fuel sold separately due to shipping regulations. The slim survival knife brings tactical functionality to everyday carry. Tonto Advantage, 7CR, 13 MOV stainless steel Tonto blade excels at puncturing and piercing. It's built for the tough jobs regular knives can't handle. Emergency ready, that glass breaker tip isn't just for show in emergencies, it could literally save your life by getting you out of vehicles or buildings. Smooth operator, ball bearing pivot with flipper opening makes deployment buttery smooth for both left and right-handed users. Secure carry, pocket clip keeps it accessible but secure, and that liner lock ensures the blade stays put when you're working. Tactical aesthetics, black coating with textured handle looks professional while providing superior grip. This isn't just a pen, it's a conversation starter. The YIMO Mini Brass Bolt Action Pen combines function with mechanical fascination. Handcrafted beauty, 76 mm long, 8.5 mm diameter, just 20 grams of solid brass craftsmanship. It's a functional collectible. Mechanical marvel, that bolt action mechanism is smooth, fast, and endlessly satisfying. It's like having a tiny piece of precision machinery in your pocket. EDC perfect, keychain ready and pocket friendly, this pen goes everywhere and showcases your appreciation for quality engineering. Gift ready, comes with 2 black replacement refills, and makes an unforgettable gift for anyone who appreciates fine tools. Daily companion, perfect for quick notes, signing documents, or just fidgeting with that incredible bolt action. Dead battery anxiety is real, the INIU portable charger eliminates it completely. Speed Demon, 22.5W with PD 3.0 and QC4+ fast charging takes your iPhone from 0 to 60% in just 30 minutes. That's nearly twice as fast as standard chargers. Credit card thin, 17% thinner, 23% smaller, and 38% lighter than comparable chargers. It literally feels like carrying a thick credit card. Future-proof, USB-C input and output means it works with all your current devices and future ones too. Power for days, 10,000 mAh charges iPhone 8 3 times, Samsung S10 twice, or AirPods Pro over 12 times. Triple threat, charge 3 devices simultaneously. Perfect for group adventures or when you're the designated charger person. Peace of mind, 3-year warranty and lifetime technical support from a company with 38 million satisfied customers. Tired of pocket chaos? The VIPERADE VE1 brings order to your EDC. Built tough, 500D polyester with PVC coating and reinforced sewing means this organizer will outlast your gear. Smart storage, oblique pocket fits flashlight, knife, and tactical pen. Top pocket handles notebooks up to 3, multiplied by 5 inches or phones up to 6.5-inch screens. Mall magic, those mall attachment points work with pocket clips, maximizing space efficiency. Hidden vault, back zippered pocket secures coins, cards, or important documents. Versatile carry, 550 paracord strap transforms it into a shoulder bag, or keep it in your pocket as an organizer. Professional appeal, perfect for doctors, nurses, repairers, gardeners, teachers, students, anyone who needs organized, accessible tools. Big repairs in a tiny package, the mini ratchet wrench set handles jobs you didn't know you could tackle on the go. Professional quality, chrome vanadium steel construction throughout the same material used in professional tool sets. 36-tooth precision, that reversible ratchet system gives you smooth operation in tight spaces where full turns are impossible. Complete coverage, Phillips PH0 and PH2, flathead 3mm and 6mm, hex H3 and H5, plus Torx T20 and T30. 8 specifications cover most common screws. Magnetic magic, built-in magnetic bit holder keeps everything secure and prevents drops. Universal application, household appliances, automotive machinery, this compact set handles jobs that would normally require a full toolbox. Safety note, always wear eye protection when using any tools. The Gerber EAB Slim proves that sometimes the best tool is the simplest one. Contractor grade uses standard replaceable utility razor blades, the same ones professionals rely on daily. Safety first, slide lock mechanism keeps the blade secure during use, and the slim profile reduces accident risk. Dual purpose, built-in bottle opener makes this perfect for work to happy hour transitions. Featherweight, at just 1.4 ounces and 4.4 inches total length, you'll forget it's there until you need it. Gerber guarantee, limited lifetime warranty from a company that's been making reliable tools since 1939. Practical perfection, sometimes you don't need fancy, you just need something that works every single time. Transform your classic Zippo into a functional screwdriver with the bit-safe insert. Iconic integration, keeps that famous Zippo click sound while adding real utility. It's still recognizably Zippo. Tool arsenal, Phillips #1 and #2 flathead 1/4 inch and T20 Torx cover the vast majority of screws you'll encounter. Magnetic efficiency, hex-shaped bit holder is magnetic, making bit changes quick and secure. Secure storage, built-in storage for unused bits means everything stays organized and accessible. Classic compatibility, fits all classic Zippo cases, but not slim or 1935 replica versions. Gift appeal, comes in a presentation box perfect for the person who has everything but still needs a screwdriver. Our final product brings precision to painful problems, the CIVIVI Precision Tweezers. Surgical precision, CNC machine from a single piece of billet with incredibly fine tips that close completely. These grab what other tweezers can't. Professional grade, designed by Bob Terzwola for serious use construction workers, gardeners, first responders, outdoor enthusiasts. Compact carry, 4.77 inches open, 3 inches closed, just 0.85 ounces. Keychain ready with that brass accent handle. Secure function, turn the screw wheel left, slide up, then turn right to lock. Simple operation for complex problems. Specialized tool, specifically not for cosmetic use. This is for removing splinters, debris, thorns, glass, and metal. It's a medical/work tool, not a beauty tool. Quality investment, single piece construction means no weak points, no breaking under pressure. And there you have it, 20 EDC Essentials that'll level up your everyday preparedness game. From that incredible WUBEN flashlight that literally fits on your keychain to precision tweezers that handle the jobs others can't, these tools prove that being prepared doesn't mean being weighed down. Which one surprised you the most? Drop a comment and let me know what's going in your EDC rotation. And if this video helped you discover your next essential carry item, smash that like button and subscribe for more gear reviews that actually matter. Remember, the best tool is the one you have with you when you need it. Until next time, stay prepared.